Hello, welcome to the Ridgway world. We just got back from camping, and we've been to this place several times. It's one of our favorite campgrounds, and we have already done a video and showed the whole thing, so I'll put that link up here. But the thing is, when you get back from vacation, you just have so much stuff that you have to put away, and you have your clothes, and you have so much laundry that you have to do. We were away for a week. It was absolutely fabulous. We did have some rough weather, but most of the days were beautiful, and we made the best of it. And I just enjoyed listening to live music and just sitting on this deck by the water. I have a picture I'll put on here too. But there's just so much stuff. We have all the necessities to put away, the bathroom stuff. And, you know, all the food has to go back in so we can turn everything off. It's just a lot of work to unpack. But it is worth it, you know. And we have two visitors today. And what is she doing? Are you pooping? Millie, what did you did? Oh my goodness. Okay, where's your sister? She doesn't like you yet. I know. No, be nice. You be nice. Luna. She's protecting us.
Yeah. Good job, Kate.
The only way she knows how. She don't have a mean part of her body.
No, she doesn't. She's saying, shut up to Lilith and stop being mean girl tuna fish.
Tuna. Maybe they'll be best friends when she's an adult. Right. You have to be older, then she'll like you. Okay? Come over here with me. Come on, come with Jimmy.
And we're laying right here.
What are you
got Lily Hammer? Oh, there you are, Lily Hammer.
What are you doing?
Fixing this stinking water leak.
Does it have to be fixed right now?
Yeah,
there's a lot of stuff that I have to get under that, the food and all that. It has to come out. I can't watch all 4 dogs and be able to do that too.
Well, 2 of them were just in here with me.
Okay.
No, remember the flood night before last, so I have to fix it.
I can't even see you.
Right. Well, you can't. Well, you don't want to see this big ass zit that's stuck off the side of my nose either. Because tuna licked me.
All right, that's
it was a festering sore.
Beside the point.
And it hurts.
That's beside the point.
But either way, this is the ice maker that ruptured the other night. I got the flex and the compression fitting, and I put a new one on.
But so, that's not something that needs to be fixed now, is it?
Yeah, why wait? Why procrastinate?
Because we are babysitting our grandpuppies.
Right, I know that. But
and we have to empty the food and everything else.
But why are we filming it? That's what I don't know. Because you want to see that big zit in my face?
What happened to the line? It blew out because of its what? Dry rotted?
No, it's not. It's fine.
Then what happened to it?
I can't answer that. The only thing I think of is maybe on the ride down there that something flew up and hit it and maybe pulled it out a little bit, because all it is a compression fitting. It goes in and then it screws up, tightens down on it.
Lily. I see her.
Lily Hammer. So either way, I just put a new compression fitting on it. It's good. I just tightened it up, so we don't have to test it to see if it's watertight, but it's good.
And I was going to put the link in there because you already did a video about this campground.
Right.
It's our favorite campground.
It's our favorite campground, and we seen some fans there. Got some pictures taken with some dudes, and they were there for a bachelor party. Spent a long weekend there, and I think they were from the southern part of Maryland. Good group of guys. It's just there trying to relax and have some fun. So, and one guy said that he watched the whole. I don't know if he said channel, Jesse's channel.
I guess.
The whole time he had COVID. That's all he watched. He watched over and over again. Yeah. And he said he went, you know, Psycho, MV, but he didn't. I thought the way it sounded, he watched everything.
Wow.
That's like thousands of videos.
Yeah.
But that's pretty good though.
Well, we had gotten some mail too that we should open.
All right.
Lily always goes right to tuna fish, even though she knows tuna fish don't take no stuff. She don't want to play with her at all.
So did you talk about the only downfalls of the trip other than the water leak? The torrential downpours that came through.
And well, I'm sure everybody experienced something about Hurricane Lee because we had
winds.
Terrible winds and the thunderstorms, and now John is absolutely nuts when it's any kind of thunder.
John, you didn't even pee. Like dust came out of your pack. That was ridiculous. But yeah, even the people next door to us, their whole screen room was like ripped out of the ground and blown up the street. Chairs were all over the place. It was crazy the way the wind came in there. And then was it Tuesday night? Tuesday night, that bad thunderstorm and heavy rain came through, cracking thunder, which drove him absolutely crazy. Electric flickered. And then, of course, if anybody's seen my tweet, we didn't have Wi-Fi the whole week.
We didn't.
So
and they charge you for it,
They
too.
charge us like $10 a day for Wi-Fi and cable. Okay, so if I didn't have Wi-Fi, but I had cable...
Wait a minute. She's eating a stick. Are you going to stay under there this whole
Well, I just want
time?
to finish tightening it up.
If you're done, can't you come out?
Well, give me one moment. Take a picture of that.
Are you eating rocks? Hey, what do you got? That's a stick? Give me it. Oh my God, look at this. Oh. Did you see her bow? She's got a knife. Oh, she's not staying still for me.
I think this is one of your dad's.
Yeah, it looks like a mouse got a hold of that.
Except this one's had like rats chewed on it, mice. Truck's got the roof racks off of it.
So when that that buckle hit the top of it, did it make a mark?
No, I couldn't see anything. So I'm only thinking that maybe something did hit it.
Something hit it. It sounded awful loud. It
almost
sounded
like a bang it, you know, when it hit, and then it popped this clamp right off of it. Oh, and everybody was saying, oh, Jeff, it's not a 6.4, it's a 6.7. Yes, it is, but my last truck, the 2016, was a 6.4, so I said I had a brain fart. So I've had a 5.7, a 6.4, a 6.7, and a 6.5 liter. So you understand why?
And am I ever going to get my car back?
What car are you talking about? You got your Mazda.
What's missing? I noticed it when I had the drone footage, and I knew where it was. I knew what you did.
What? Why do you know what I did?
You took it.
Yes.
To get the brakes worked on, didn't you?
I took it not only to get the brakes, the evap pump was shot. That's where all the oil was pouring out. And you better take a lot of crap off.
I know you like DIY, but I actually am glad that you're doing it because it's better for me to be safe. If it's something that
SITS, send it to someone.
Well, it's better that somebody knows.
Right. Which they're doing the evap pump.
Wait a minute, where are they at?
What are we missing? The two visitors? Get up here.
Aw, you carried her like a baby.
She wouldn't listen. Look at Tuna's trying to help.
Tuna's playing. Oh, no, she's not.
No, she's not. She wants her to listen to Pop with Dad or whatever.
You're trying to teach her, Luna? Huh? Is that what you're trying to do?
Back in the woods. Now. Come on.
All right, let's go to the house. To the house. Come on.
Oh, everybody's peeing. He's a good girl.
Okay, we're missing one.
Well, that's because he's licking pee. You good? Come on, you want to eat too? There's 4.
Okay, come on.
Oh, Johnny, it's been a rough vacation week for you. Oh. Get oh. It's the first time I hadn't had to carry you.
There we go. Good
Everybody's
puppies. Okay, now we all sit.
Yep, everybody's.
Everybody
you got a good sit.
Yes. You're not sitting.
Nice.
Kate, you need to sit. Good
Oh,
girl.
oh, look, even sister.
No. Oh, no, wait a minute. That's not nice.
Good
There's
job.
a little one for you.
The puppers are all sitting. Good to go, Tuna
Nice
Fish.
puppies.
Oh, that's so nice, sweeties.
Nice puppies, yes.
Oh, yeah. Look at the tumbleweeds of hair all over the place.
Oh, you're so precious.
I just want to say, one of the most dedicated fans, I think, in the history of any channel we've had or been part of is Levi Miller. I think I have 22 letters, all handwritten. Levi, you're the best. Thank you. We love you guys, too, for doing this. And then there's also cards. Love is always with you guys. There's a lot of love here that's being sent there. Levi, thank you so much. It's very nice. You sent one to myself and to Terry. We greatly appreciate your being a fan because this takes a lot of time, and I know we appreciate it. And he sent me one of my most favorite pictures is me and Jess.
Aww.
Which is very nice. I love this picture.
I didn't know that was your favorite. That's
one of my favorites, yeah.
It is a good picture.
It is a good picture. Thank you, Levi. And we have another one that came in from Kai, I hope it's Kai, Amber Sterling. So, hopefully I don't slice something other than this. I felt like it was on the good spot there. Some artwork. Oh, very nice. Sunflowers and butterflies dancing in the dark.
Oh, nice.
And I'll read some.
Are there pictures?
There's also a picture here, and I don't think I did that with the knife, but I apologize. Be like the sunflower, stand tall, and look for the sunlight, even on the darkest of days.
Nice.
Which is true. You always got to look for the bright side of life.
Yeah, keep up with
Kai,
the creativity, too.
Yep, keep it up. It says, Dear Mrs. Dear Mrs. Ridgway, let me have the camera, young lady. You don't want to read it, or you want me to read it? And Terry will read it, and maybe she'll reach out, to you, individually. With that, I hope that works, right? All right. Well, thank you, Kai, and I appreciate that. And I just want to let everybody know, Jessie is a busy little bee, throwing that into the sunflower because bees pollinate. Is a busy little bee with the movie, getting everything ready, and I know he's probably at his wits' end.
He's starting to shoot soon. I'm very excited for him.
We're excited. We're very proud of him. The kid just never stops.
Yeah.
And I should say a young man.
Yeah. Go for your dreams.
And that's what I try to tell everybody. Go for your dreams and look for the bright side of life. Because at times life sucks and you got to do the best you can with what you got.
Yeah.
So.
He makes us proud.
Yes, very much so.
And on that note.
There's a note now?
Yeah. We got to get to work.
Okay. Empty.
The trailer.
Got it. All right. Carry on.